Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out and then gonna take for a ride this 1969 Chevelle. Thing sounds great. Sounds awesome. Beautiful paint. Just put some new wheels and tires on it. Just a really quality car. Turned out great.
It did. It impressed me.
And then we do have a mirror coming for it. We had the mirror, but we're just missing the bracket, so we'll have a new mirror installed before it ships out, but it's cleaned up and we wanted to do our video today. Really presentable under the hood as well.
It is. This little 350 runs like a big block almost. You know, it sounds like it too, doesn't it?
It does.
Power steering, power disc brakes in the front. But make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out those floor pictures, the rear end. All that is very highly detailed and painted nicely in black.
Bottom side of the hood's really nice, and like I said, we were really impressed when we put it up in the air.
Well, it's a factory Garnet Red car, and this paint is just absolutely stunning on it. It's got a gorgeous metallic, and I really like, if they went ahead and did the Cowl hood rather than the SS hood, I like that they put those silver stripes on it. It really looks good.
I do. I like the red and the silver. Great combination. So front bumper, not brand new. It's got a few little scuffs, but very presentable. Same thing with the grille and headlights. Hood lines up good from across the front and all the way to the back as well. As Chad already mentioned, it's got a beautiful metallic, especially on a nice sunny day like today. The car really shows well. We went ahead and put on these new, SS wheels and BFG raised wet lighter tires. Really made it stand out.
They're 15x7s in the front and 15x8s in the back, those new SS rims.
So the big thing is, like I said, it's not a trailer queen, definitely a car you can take to your local car show and be proud of, but it has been drove, so down along the bottom, you got a bunch of little small rock chips down there on the
And the worst part about the whole car is it's got 3 scratches that have been touched up and it's just a little darker.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, rock solid, super straight, nice looking car.
Yeah, no bubbles or blisters, anything like that. Down along the rocker, corner of the door is really solid. And they did a really nice job in the jams as well. Corner of the door is rust-free there.
Looks like rubbers and felts were replaced during the paint.
Door panel's in good shape.
It's got the Pro Car seats and they're super comfortable. They recline. Also has the correct console, and we did put the little shift slide in there that really sharpened that console up a little bit. Put a new console lid door on it. Her shifter, and that shifts good. You'll see in a little bit.
Yeah, dash console looks good. We did a steering wheel too, SS wheel. Headliner's really nice and tight. The dome light works with the passenger door open. Back shelf, they did a good job with that as well. Got a couple rear speakers back there. Back seats in good shape. Just a good car. I'm really impressed with the way it turned out.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Well, the biggest thing, Dalton, is you got to have a very, very firm, solid foundation, and this one has that,
Yeah, super straight too. Nice. You got a
They did a nice
spare
job in here.
jack.
I like the mat and stuff that they did. It's got the sound deadener and the mat. So yeah, they did a nice job in there. Jump
Really
jams
nice
are
and
nice.
solid.
Looks like the back bumper is original. Shows a little wear, but that's always something you can get if you want to, upgrade a little bit. $300 will get you a new bumper.
As you already heard to start the video, that exhaust sounds awesome.
It does.
And what I like to see here too, on both sides, there's really nice solid package tray. Back glass looks good. Same thing up over the roof, no dings or dents that I can see.
That's just straight as hell.
Yeah, really straight.
Corner of the doors fit great behind and in front.
Real solid all the way along. There's a small little rock chip there.
The main thing with this is just the way it looks, sounds, feels when you're driving it. You know what I mean? It's got kind of the total package. Again, not a trailer queen, but something you can take to any cruise night, local car show. Be super proud of it. Rust-free doors, floors, all that is rust-free. Door panels are great. I like that they didn't try to convert it into something it's not.
Yeah.
You know, they left all the Malibu stuff in it. We did have an extra SS steering wheel, used one, so we put that on it. Had a little smaller wheel. I'm never a big fan of those. You're catching me today with some serious allergies, so I'm pushing through it. But we got retractable seat belts in front. We got seat belts for 3 in the back. When a car comes in, we always go ahead and take them down, fill them full of gas. Make sure that gas gauge reads accurately. This one did. Works perfect. Horn works.
Heater fan works.
Yeah, that's almost amazing. Most of the time that's not what works. These are, I think these are catching on that Cowl hood because
A lot of times they are.
worked one time, no, they're not. So the wipers, we'll have to recheck on them, but the funny part is they were working. Yeah, sounds good. Volt gauge works. Oil pressure's at 50 pounds on idle, goes up to 70. It's got a little tachometer that matches all the Sun Pro stuff down there. Okay. That thing's cool.
Even the park and brake light works.
Yeah, park and brake works. I had that on. It's idling at 500 RPM. You can't get it any better than that. Dome light works as well. Original headliner, I think, D. It is. It is original headliner. There's a hole in the headliner.
We forgot. Yeah, we got our interior guy here too. But
yeah, so we'll have him do a good attempt to try to get that nice, should we? Before he gets out of here. All right, let's do it. Oh, one other thing we forgot to talk about is radio, and that works too.
Flag.
Nice.
You may receive up to 4 messages a month, and you may
Sounds
text.
good
Car,
too.
man.
It is
It's
a
got
cool
good
car.
sound system in it. Like I said, just a nice quality driver. See how nice and quiet it is in here.
It's got a lot of pull and power.
There's your brakes, stop nice and straight, nice alignment. Yeah, we'll warm it up and then temp gauge ain't warmed up yet.
Yeah,
Paint looks great over top the hood, doesn't it?
it does. And that's a color combination I really like. If we ever have an opportunity to paint something, you know, that'd be a good look. That kind of garnet red with the silver stripe.
Awesome. Absolutely beautiful. Carb isn't quite warmed up yet, but let's give her a whirl here.
It's a pretty fast little small block underneath the hood.
Yeah, definitely. Look at this.
Yay! Just picks up speed.
I told you, it sounds and acts just as good as any big block I drove. Really.
Oh, yeah.
It does. And that was first gear, I couldn't shift fast enough. It just kept roasting. Second gear, it kept roasting up. So we're just going to go through the gears here. Not at a dead stop.
And that's what I feel like the cool thing is with this car, you know, having the small block and the 4-speed. It's one where if you want to, you know, horse around a little bit and burn some rubber, you can definitely do that. But then it's still just a nice cruiser too. You know, it's not a race car.
Exactly. It does have 373 gears in it. But I mean, listen to just how it sounds. I mean, if you're looking for something quieter that you can enjoy, we're just going to go like this. We're doing about 1,000.
Nice.
This is a hell of a car.
It is.
Just the suspension.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The suspension is so tight going through the gears. Here's your synchros. Here's your third. Second. Really nice tranny.
Yeah, it is.
Isn't it?
I'm impressed. Really impressed.
Looks like something happened to the tack there. Come on, little guy.
Yeah, the tack was working pretty hard to keep up with you. Oh, man. No, nice car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section. I'll take you right to the website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.